So today we at Bangsar Trade Centre. Is located at Bangsar, and this building is a freehold property. Previously we are doing some residential home tour, but today we are guiding you to see a commercial building. And if today you are driving your car here have a 2 parking space. One is the open car park and per day is 10 ringgit, and one is the indoor car park. Out 1 hour around 4 ringgit, maximum 20 ringgit. Let's go to give you a building tour now. So this station is the Kerinchi station. This LRT station is the Kelana Jaya, and this along the way the KR Central. If you at KR Central coming here for the LRT, you can change the train station from KL Central to this Kerinchi station. If you at Bangsar Maju line, you also can directly come here for the LRT station. And this train station is connected in the building, so you just walking distance to your office. So along this way, we have the minus at the middle there, and the coffee shop is just nearby here. So this is the coffee shop. So this is the Kerinchi LRT station, and this is the food store. So just connected to your building, and here have a 7-Eleven and some Malay store. Breakfast also can using here. So this Tower D is the interior regency, and this is the federal highway that you just connect to here, and one is the MPE highway route. So let's go to the tour. So this all the building is facing the highway one for the 4 tower. So here I have tower A, B, and C and D. So Nicholas will show you the unit. Let's go.
Alright, so now we're at the actual unit of Menara Atlas. Now I'm going to show you this commercial office unit right here. So once you enter this building right here, it's directly at the corner unit. So once you reach here, you have this fingerprint access accompanied by this big door over here, and also we have this glass door. So let's come into the unit and show you this place. So this place right here, once you enter the unit, is accompanied by this big reception table where your admin or receptionist will be here. And this table over here, we're using laminated wood. So this whole table, according to our interior design, it goes around like 8 to 10,000 right here. So if you're buying, you're buying. Owner is selling according with this. Okay, so right here, let's see this reception table. This chair over here is a basic office chair which costs around 200 to 300 like this. And this over here, we have this place where you can place your computer, your monitor, your keyboard, your mouse, CPU down there. You can even put a few air freshener over here, and over here you can place your folder and a lot of cabinet space. Alright, and this is one special thing about this unit over here, is we have this door access button right here, where when the client comes in, you can have the luxury of sitting down right here and giving the access to the unit. Alright, and below over here, this partition wall right here, we're using this maple wood over here, which is a wooden partition. So if you're buying according with this. So now let's show you the co-working space. Alright, so this is the co-working space over here. We can enter and see now this whole place owner spends around 65,000 to do up the whole renovation, including the furnitures and even the carpet around, as you can see. So you might hear, even though we are videoing right now, you will not hear the echo so much, okay? So over right here, we have this table, laminated wood table right here, which is mostly the manager will sit here, that we should have more privacy, accompanied by a lot of cabinet space. And over here, right here, you can see this place have a much more quality wood, which is using maple wood for this table. And this chair over right here will cost around 300 to 400. And this place is where the director usually will sit right here. So now right here is, you can see this whole place is the co-working space. And over here, where all the co-workers sit, there's 4 spacious tables where you can place all your stuff, accompanied by this cabinet over here with a lot of cabinet space. And this cabinet, you can see, is movable. Alright. Now all this table from the manager, the director, and co-working space, all the table accompanied with 3 plug points. So it's easy for you to use. You can charge your phone, your laptop, and you can even have your own air freshener. Alright, so let's come and see this cupboard over right here. So over here, we have this laminated wood cupboard where you can store most of your files, your sales calls, all your documents all set right here. So right here you have a lot of cabinet space right here to store all your data, all your files. Alright, so let's show you this place. Now this table over here is where most of your co-workers will be here to see this beautiful view right here. Now this view, you can have a lot of greenery views, and you can see directly here, you can see a big field right there. So it gives you this positive energy. And over here, there's a lot of building nearby, but all the nearby buildings are considered low-rise buildings, so it does not block the view. So you have this clear, unblocked view. And over here, you can see this screen right here is the tinted film, so this blocks the sunlight from coming in. And over right here, you have this sunscreen blind. Okay, so to prevent the sun from coming in when it's really bright. All right. So let's show you where most of our employees love the place the most. Alright, over right here, this place is where you can store this water filter, where you can fill up your water and stuff. And over right here, we have our pantry. And over here, pantry, you can, have your bowl, you can wash, you can eat, a few snacks over here. And most of the time, yeah, this is the pantry where you can use for your leisure time. So now let's show you the special part of this unit right here. Okay, so as you know, this is the office unit where most of the people will share the toilet. So this floor, the toilet is located just right next to our office unit. So if you can see over right here, this is the back door of the office. If you open up, you can see right here, this is where the door where everybody will access in. Alright, and you can see there's the girls' toilet, the OKU toilet, and also the men's toilet over the other side. So it's like a built-in toilet within your office. Alright, so where most of the people have to walk around to come to the toilet, and this is like a built-in for you. So let's move on to the meeting room. So over right here, you can see this meeting room is accompanied with 6 glass panels and 4 blinds. And once you enter, you have this beautiful wooden door, okay, which brings in the grand view when you're in the meeting. Now once you enter this meeting room right here, you can see this big spacious oval table where it's right now, as you can see, can cater up to 6 people meeting right here, but a maximum of 10. Okay, so due to the SOP, it's good to maintain 6. Now over right here, we have this plug point over here accompanied by 3 plug points where you can charge your laptop, your projector here for meetings. And over here, right here, we see this beautiful glass board which serves as a whiteboard where you can scribble and have your meetings, note down everything right here. Now right here we can see this meeting room is a beautiful meeting room, and it's very important to have a beautiful meeting room. Why? Because most of your interview, your creative meetings, and your clients will sign a deal mostly at this meeting room. Alright, so let's talk about numbers. Okay, so this place is around 980 square feet and is selling now currently at 470,000 like that, and it's around 480 per square feet. Now for the rental price right here is around 3 ringgit per square feet. Maintenance fee is about 1 ringgit and 25 cents. So if you buy this unit, maintenance fee is around 1,200 each like this. Now if you want to have a physical viewing here, you can contact my number below. My name is Nicholas, JBG, Real Estate You Trust.